Pranams to all of you. All of us very well know that we are all living on a planet called Earth. One of the ordinary small planets in the solar system. Sun and its family of 10, 12 or more planets. Now for us, Earth is big enough, quite big, huge. But compared to the other giant planets like Jupiter and Uranus and Neptune and Saturn and so on, planet Earth is tiny. Compared to the Sun, our own Sun, Earth is very, very small. Right? The Sun and its several planets, solar system, is just a tiny dot on one of the outer wings of the Milky Way galaxy. Many of us know that. And our own home galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, the recent estimate is that the Milky Way galaxy has more than 400 billion stars. Huge. And compared to many of those stars, our Sun is small, a dwarf star. Now this Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy, and for light, the light to cross the Milky Way galaxy from one end to another, it takes 1,05,700, to be precise, 1,05,700 light years. The distance travelled by light in 1 year. Right? That's the distance of the Milky Way galaxy. And 1 light year is how many in terms of miles? 1 light year is 6 trillion miles or 10 trillion kilometers. 1 light year. And to cross the Milky Way galaxy, 1,05,700 light years. These big things, it's very difficult for us to imagine, comprehend. Now, coming to the point, what are we talking about? What is it all about? Recently, some years ago, the astronomers and astrophysicists from Hawaii discovered, among many other things, that huge galaxies, they actually cluster together. What we call the local group or the supercluster. Right? For example, the Virgo cluster and so on and so forth. What they discovered is our Milky Way galaxy, where our solar system, Sun and its several planets, is just a dot on the outermost wings of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy, which is itself so huge and staggering, Milky Way galaxy itself is a tiny dot among thousands and thousands of other galaxies in a supercluster, which the Hawaiian astronomers named it as Laniakea. Laniakea, that's the name given in Hawaii. In Hawaii, Laniakea means immense heaven. And the supercluster, where so many galaxies are there in that cluster, is 500 million light years across. Right? Milky Way galaxy is 1,05,700 light years across. This supercluster called Laniakea is 500 million light years across. The human mind is too small, too tiny to comprehend, to understand the vastness, the staggering vastness of space, of the universe. And many, many galaxies, like our own Milky Way galaxy, are in this supercluster. That's what these astronomers have discovered. What are the names of some of these galaxies in the supercluster? Galaxies like Andromeda, which is 250,000 light years across, bigger than the Milky Way galaxy. The Canis Major, Cygnus, Magellanic Cloud, Virgo cluster, Sagittarius, Cartwheel, Pinwheel, Triangulum, Tadpole, Needle, Mice. These are all names of, we human beings have named these galaxies. And there are billions. The clusters, like this cluster, there are smaller ones, like the Coma cluster, Local Group, M81, the Virgo cluster, and so on and so forth. All this are there in Laniakea Supercluster. This is what the astronomers have discovered. The more you look at the universe, the more it goes on and on and on. Compared to the size of this massive universe, Milky Way galaxy itself is a dot in the supercluster. Sun, forget it. Earth, don't even think about it. And we human beings, non-existent. Literally, we human beings on planet Earth, compared to the universe, we are non-existent. And yet, we are here. Think about it. Once in a while, many of us may not be interested in the bigger things of the universe, of life. That's okay. At least those who are interested in. Let me ask you, how many of us love to look at a clear, cloudless night sky, studded with those millions and billions of stars? I love to watch the night sky. Clear, cloudless night sky. When you look up at that, you will, if you're lucky and blessed enough, you will understand we human beings are, insignificant, massive. And in all this massive, staggering universe, with all its billions and billions of galaxies and stars and celestial bodies, are we really alone? Is that even possible? It's high time we people start pushing our thinking borders beyond the normal. In this staggering, vast universe, with all its superclusters and clusters and billions of galaxies and celestial bodies and stars, how can you even think of being alone in the universe? Absurd. Yeah, people may ask, where is the evidence? As if evidence is presented, they can handle it. No, I often love this quote from a great astronomer many years ago. He said, absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. I had quoted this in a previous video. Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence as we know it. Werner Heisenberg, another great physicist, once remarked, the universe is not only stranger, but stranger than we can think. Right? Way beyond mental understanding. The understanding, the comprehension power of the human mind. Way beyond. And these scientists have discovered that this Laniakea Supercluster contains more than 1 lakh galaxies plus, and all of them as big as the Milky Way, as big as the Andromeda galaxy. Who are we? What are we? What is this universe all about? The whole universe is throbbing with life, intelligent, civilized life, technologically advanced civilizations. Most of the governments of the world know this. Of course they know this. Why aren't they telling us? God alone knows. Right? Another thing, another group of scientists have discovered some years ago, right? They saw a planet, a rocky planet, quite some distance away from our solar system, a planet made of diamonds. Right? A planet made of diamonds. That planet is fully made of diamonds. Thank God we human beings have no access to that. We greedy human beings have no access to that. And this group of scientists, a US, France team of astronomers and astrophysicists, they discovered this planet, the diamond planet, actual diamond. planet and they named it 55 Cancri E. Now, why they gave this name, I don't know. They named this planet, this diamond planet, 55 Cancri E. That's the name of this planet now. Diamond. This planet is very extraordinary, unique. This moves so fast that 1 year, according to Earthlings, 1 year lasts a mere 18 Earth hours. That's all, because that's how fast this moves. And the mass of this planet is 8 times greater than planet Earth. Bigger. Incredibly hot. 3,900 degree Fahrenheit. That's how hot that planet is. There are so many other planets like this, but this was the first one that was discovered by this team. And this planet orbits a star in the constellation of Cancer, in one of these local groups. You know, this diamond planet 55 Cancri E is 40 light years away from our sun. 40 light years away from our sun, or 230 trillion miles from us. 230 trillion miles from us. That's how far it is. Thank God again, thank God, we greedy humans cannot even think of going near that planet. And there are many such planets in the universe. This is one of the first planet made of diamonds that the astronomers had discovered. Amazing, right? I mean, can you imagine a planet made, every top to bottom, made of diamond, real diamond? How many more mysteries are there in the universe? In fact, the whole universe is a mystery. Cosmos. You know, the word cosmos literally means order, harmony. Like this, we can go on, the mysteries of the universe, materially speaking. There is so much more that we don't know about the universe. And what we know is nothing. Absolutely nothing. And yet we human beings, there are a lot of these astronomers and scientists out there, the normal kind, the university type, who even today believe and claim that we are the only species in the entire universe. If those extraterrestrial beings are there, why haven't they shown up? What if they have shown up thousands and thousands of years ago and even today, but we are not able to see them? We are not able to see the evidence because we are so busy with silly things. All that we human beings are interested in is to entertain ourselves. Incessant, constant, non-stop entertainment. So it needs a different level of intelligence and maturity to become interested in these things. The good news, there are a lot of people on this planet today, in recent times, who are waking up and becoming interested in many of these things. Oh yes, it's happening. Especially children. Right? They know for a fact that we are not alone in this massive universe. We cannot be alone. So, the more the astronomers, the genuine astronomers and astrophysicists, right, who don't work for funds, who don't do research for funds, just for funds, they are genuinely, really interested to study this universe, to know what is going on, what is this all about, and what is our connection with this massive universe. What is the meaning? What is the purpose? And these are the ones, the astronomers and astrophysicists, who discover new things and tell us about it all. Right? So, this universe is too big for us, too big. The more you look at the universe, the night sky, for example, the more you become humble, humbler and humbler and humbler. Right? Thank you. Pranams.